This is axis automatic bobbin wind machine. Sometimes you are showing machine bobbin wind cannot work. Sometimes you have a lot of work for the project. You need this solution. This bobbin wind with a thread stand. Okay. There are 2 holes. This is for right side. This is for thread bobbin. And 2 screws. This is for wooden screw. This is for metal. This is for metal. If you use the wooden screw, you have to lock fix on the tabletop. If you use this metal screw, you can keep it anywhere. This thread, this tension set, the thread go inside and right, and here is bobbin. This is start, this is stop, this is thread cut. Sometimes the bobbin winder is not full, maybe some half or some a little. You can adjust this screw, the position, right, left, a little. You can adjust it. And this tension set, sometimes the bobbin winder up down not smooth. You can adjust the screw up or a little down. You can adjust. Okay, let's start how to bobbin wind. This is start, the stop. This thread should be 12 o'clock, not the right, not the left. Okay. Stopper, starter. Actually, this is automatic stop.